I ran into some legal battles with my ex-wife. We had gotten through our divorce amicably without lawyers, but when she started getting involved inappropriately in my ability to parent the kids who live primarily with me, I found it necessary to find a lawyer because it started to get out of hand, and I didn't really understand the legal system or what my options and rights were. So I saw a lawyer as a good investment of my money to prevent not so much a loss of money or time in the future, but more to settle issues that were harming the children. So to me, $5,000 or $10,000 up front to end a dispute that's hurting the children is money well spent. So I found Brent Bohan, and he got involved and basically started cleaning up the mess. You know, one of the things I really liked about Brent is he's very personable and fun-loving, but then he brings his professionalism to the court. I've seen him up in front of a judge. He knows exactly what to do and say, and says it with confidence. And I think that's what I look for in an attorney is you know, personal and personable when we're having discussions, just client to attorney, but then able to kind of put on that professional air in front of a judge and basically just get the job done. I mean, ultimately that's all I really want, is I want him to just do the job. If the person on the other side has an attorney, I think it's a no-brainer that you have to have one. It's not an option. And I know people who've felt otherwise, and I think they paid a real price for that. I think it's critical that you hire somebody who understands that. It's just like hiring a plumber to do some work at the house. You know, why risk a $10,000 water damage bill when you could spend $1,000 and have the job done right? So with an attorney, I think probably Brent saved me just countless headaches, probably saved me money in the long run, and more importantly, you know, he rescued a kind of a crumbling family system that was really being harmed by some bad behavior by just kind of handling the issues from a legal standpoint.